Welcome back. In this lab, we're going to use the GetDistance method. So I have here created a new method called GetDistance between 2 points with the same command method. So we have here the document object and the editor object. GetDistance is actually very straightforward. It just prompts you to pick 2 points, then it will calculate the distance between those 2 points. But I would like to introduce another prompt object. So it's called prompt double result. Let's just call this as PDR. Now we can get the value of the get distance and store it in this variable, PDR variable. So we can get the function get distance from the editor, get distance, and then let's just prompt the user to pick 2 points to get the distance. Then that's it. We can provide the show alert dialog. Let's say distance between points PDR that value that to string, and that's it. So just declare a variable with the prompt double result data type, and then store the value from the get distance using the editor here, and then just display the value here, concatenate with this message in the show alert dialog. So let us save our project and do another rebuild. Okay, build succeeded. Let us load our plugin now. This is our plugin. So we should have the get distance between 2 points. Okay, then pick the first point, then the second point, and this is the distance. Alright, it's very straightforward to use, so you can think of something that you can apply it in your code. There you go. So yeah, give it a try and try to measure some specific area or distance in your drawing and see how it goes. Alright, I'll see you in the next video.